Hello, in this video I'm going to show how you can create a task in Google Calendar. So first go to Create, then go down to Task, and it'll give you an option for a title, and you can select what day the task will be for. Let's say it's for this day, and you can have it repeat like daily, weekly, or whatever, and you can add a description. Whatever time you have here also, it will give you a notification. So it won't give you a notification before or after this time. It'll give you a notification exactly at this time. Here you can just select like what labels you want to put your task under. And yeah, that's about it. You can click save. And as you can see, it's set for daily. Let's say you want to get rid of this task and the rest of them. So you can just click on this, click delete. It says this task or this and the following tasks. I'll just click that. All tasks would work too. And it's gone. So that's how you create and use tasks in this. There's also like a dedicated Google Tasks app, I believe. Basically links with this, so it's basically the same. But yeah, that's how you use it. And yeah, if you have any more questions about this, or you want my help with like troubleshooting another software or something, I have a link in the description where I can basically do like calls. And then I'll help you with whatever you need help with. So yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching.